Okay, I'm going to be talking about L'Hopital's rule, but in a specific instance, and this instance is called indeterminate powers. Okay, so an indeterminate power, it typically has these forms. It can have the form of 0 to the 0th power, infinity to the 0th power, or 1 to the infinite power. Okay, but remember, L'Hopital's applies for only 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. Okay. So if we see one of these other forms above, that means we have to massage it into one of these two forms. Okay, and I'll give you a very quick example here. Your example is to compute this limit as x goes to infinity of x to the 8 over x power. Okay, so the first thing that you always do is you ask for a pulse, or what form it is. Okay, so what form are we dealing with? Well, x, that limits to infinity. The exponent limits to the 0th power, 8 over x. So that's infinity to the 0th power. It's an indeterminate power. Okay, so we need to try to massage this, and it would be nice to get rid of that exponent. Well, I know that the natural log allows me to pull exponents down. Remember, I need to be dealing with the original problem, so I can't change it in any way. I just took the natural log, so I better undo it. The exponential is its inverse. So double check that this quantity is equal to that quantity. Those two that I just boxed, they are because of inverse properties. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is, because the exponential is a continuous function, I can bring the limit into the numerator, and this is e to the ln of x to the 8 over x. Now, I can bring that numerator down. Is going to be 8 over x times by ln of x. And let's just rewrite this one more time. This will be e to the limit as x goes to infinity of 8 times this ln of x over x. The form of this thing, the thing that involves the limit, is going to be 8 times ln of x as x goes to infinity. Well, that's infinite, over infinity. So I can apply L'Hopital's rule inside of the exponential. So this will be limit x goes to infinity, derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, derivative of x is 1. So this is L'Hopital. Okay. So then I get this limit as x go, excuse me, let me write the exponential first. I'm going to get e to the limit as x goes to infinity of 8 over x. That limits to 0. E to the 0 is 1, so my final answer for this is 1. Now, notice we started with the form of infinity to the 0. We used inverse properties to massage it in terms of a form of regular L'Hopital's. Then we applied L'Hopital's there and computed the limit. That is a typical scenario for indeterminate powers. Thank you.